It's called Enter the Serpent. This code is 70749.
By the way, I do not know anything about Lego, so it might be a bit awkward. I'll say out. On the side of the box, there's Jay, Lloyd, Zugu, Kaporai, and Chin.
Where's Lloyd?
Oh, where's Lloyd? Oh, sorry.
Lloyd and Lloyd. On the front of the box, there is everyone. Lloyd fighting Kaporai, Jay fighting Zugu, and Chen hiding.
But it's kind of violent.
On this side, there is the code. It says Lego Ninjago. It has the Lego Club, and it has the picture of the front. I'm so happy. Let's open it. I'm so happy. This is bag 4.
The bag number is 2. This game is brilliant.
This is bag number 1.
And look, the instruction book.
Open it, and you have to build Lloyd first. Oh yeah!
We're gonna start building.
It tells us to
get the head, put it on the green body, and put on the green.
He is a golden ninja when he does his true potential.
This is Lloyd, and it's so exciting. One on this page, you've got to take this green piece and put this grey Lego piece there. You have to add 2 of these purple circles.
Did you put those pieces on?
No.
Did you do? Oh no. Done.
And now I will have one of these in your Lego set. There. And you stick it on top of these. And then take another one and put it on top of the other one. Then we add these and these on both sides. It's my first time making Lego. Now my friend is finding 2 of these.
We're building something that has to do with like weapons, so that it can hold the weapons.
Bottom line, we're doing Lego. We have to put another one of these on top.
So happy I finally got the green ninja. Ninjago!
Then you apply more bones to here. Anyway, I can't even put these bones on.
What? Okay, let me do it.
I know how to put the bones on. I just can't. You do it.
Okay. We need 2 of them.
Another bone. We will come back when we have finished bag 1. Thank you.